Hello guys, we've got the starter motor which is doesn't work. It's from 50cc 4-stroke scooter, Chinese scooter, and it's the Chinese starter motor as well. Before you buy new one, it's better to check if we can fix it. Just open it and we're gonna have a look what's going on inside. Take these two screws off. And we see what's inside. What's going on. Maybe we can fix it somehow. Okay. Bolts off. And let's open. What we've got. Oh yes. It's pretty dirty inside, probably you have to clean. The brushes. Brushes are a little bit gone, but I think they're still okay. I think we need to just clean all the stuff. It's just dirty, you know. Springs. Brush springs, okay. The best to clean in some kind of degreaser everything. See how much dirt is there. Look how much. You have to clean all of this, and then after that blow it by the compressed air, all the dust out. See, plenty of dust. That dust is from the brushes, you know, I think. And if this dust going through to the rotor over there, it's like good conductor, and it's contact between those connectors, and that's why it doesn't spin. See how much dust is inside, brush dust. Have to clean this nice. Degreaser is good thing. Any degreaser, nice. Look how much that is there. Look. Okay. And this as well. The brush holder as well. Do it this nice. Look how much that is there. Look. It's incredible. Keep going. See? It's much cleaner now. Really nice. I think brushes is gonna be okay. I haven't got new one anyway, but we're gonna try to put old on. Let's see what's happened. Okay, after we clean this, get the compressed air and blow it off all the dust. It's good to put some cloth and don't spread around this shit. Different, isn't it? Same there. Okay, let's blow everything off. Much cleaner now. Okay, once we've done this, take some 800 grit sandpaper and just clean the rotor there. connector, brush connector. Okay, it's nice and clean. Blow it again. Great. All right, we're gonna need some grease. We're gonna need some nice grease. Put on the bearings over there. One is there. Okay, and one there. Let's put nice, not too much, just like that, and we can put a little bit grease over there as well. See, nice. Now is the hardest part is to put the brushes and this thing inside. But this, we have to put this first with the brushes because we got the view, and then we have to put this back, which is not going to be easy, but we can do it. Okay. First, you have to put the springs. To put this small thing, you need a long nose pliers probably, and a small screwdriver. And you place it, this spring over there, like that. Okay. And then you have to put the brush in. Like I'm saying, this is not easy. I know somebody can make this more easy, but me, not. To put these brushes in, you need to make special device. I'll show you how. You can make something different, but this is what I did. No other choice. Make something like this. Something like bent approximately the same size, like that. See, something like that. Like a square, and then we're gonna try. I done one already, spring loaded this thing. Now we're gonna try it on another side. Like I'm saying, this is the worst part to fix this starter motor. Okay, you preload it, and then you put this inside, like that. A bit squeeze, too much. Okay, bit. Okay, and then you squeeze this thing slowly, slightly. See? Okay, we got this spring loaded, and now we have to try to push this inside. Be careful, don't damage the connector. Oh yes, you see? And then we can take off this device. 1 and 2. Spin it, check if it's everything alright. Okay, we got the grease here, and now we have to put this back together. We're gonna put this back. Hold this thing. Oh no, hold there, because this is the magnet, and magnet can pull this out again. Just push it inside. Yeah, we've got it. Okay. And now we're gonna try to fit the bolts. This is gonna be funny part because it's not easy to find a way. Ah, yeah, straight away, you see, we find the hole. Okay. Okay, and we can screw it in. To speed the process, we can use the Really? Okay. Okay. And tight more. Now check if it spins. It spins nice, actually. And now it's time to test it on the battery. Minus to the and plus here. Oh, it's working nice, look. Nice. Success. And you don't need to buy new one, see?